Hello, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Hyundai, please help me subscribe to my channel. Click that bell notification so every time I have a new video, you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2021 Hyundai Elantra hybrid. So right now, I'm doing a oil change service on this. And you can see the oil is very dirty. Now here's your drain bolt, 17 millimeter. There you go, filters in the front. Now let it drain out. Everything is completely drained out. Wipe the oil filter housing. The new filter. Put a little bit of oil on the gasket so it sits better. Hand tighten, not too crazy. There you go. That's it. For the drain bolt, finger tighten it. So this is tight, snug it a little bit. That's it, wipe the spot. Now for the oil, this one takes 0.20. I have 0.20 here, full synthetic. Since this is a 1.6, I'm gonna put in 4 quarts and then check it. Now I put in 4 quarts already. Now I'm gonna check the dipstick. Oh, right there, right on the full mark. So this is perfect, 4 quarts. Right now I have the key on. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil light. For the hybrid one, you have to reset it through here on the big screen here. But for the regular one, the normal one, non-hybrid, so you're going to press on this button and then you're going to go to your, keep pressing it until you go to your user setting, and then you're going to scroll down to service interval, and then you can reset it from there. But since this one's hybrid, so right now you're going to go to setup. Press setup, and then you're gonna go to vehicle. You're gonna go to cluster, and then you're gonna go to service interval. There you go. And now it shows the distance on the oil. Now press reset. There you go. So this is reset to the whatever the manufacturer, the Hyundai dealership, wherever they set it at. So it's gonna be reset to 5,000 miles. This one is synthetic, so it's 5,000 miles. That's good enough. There you go. Turn off the car, turn it back on. There you go. This one's the tire light because this one has a spare tire. But that's it for this video, guys. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But see y'all in the next video. Peace.